Okay, we're ready for property of logarithms, part 3. So what does that mean? We're going to use the logarithms to contract. So we're going to use the properties, use the properties to contract into one big logarithm, and then we're going to solve. Woohoo! Alrighty, so let's start. What if I had log base 4 of 2 plus log base 4 of 32? Alright, now just like before, the rules work the same way. We remember that anytime you're adding, it's the same thing as multiplying. Subtracting is dividing. A power is an exponent. Right? We remember those rules. So, let's see what we can get here. This would be, I know that plus means multiply, so I'm going to get log base 4 of 64. Ah, look at that. Alright, 2 times 32. Maybe I should have written it that way first. I know this is 2 times 32, which really is log base 4 of 64. Yay! Now, we contracted it to its smallest logarithm it can be. I had 2, now I made it into 1. Right? I want to solve. Remember, what does solve mean? We're trying to say 4 to some power equals 64. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to solve this problem. So the way that we did that, if you remember just yesterday, we took the natural log of 64 and we divided it by the natural log of 4. Remember, you have to put parentheses around there. If you do that, where is my calculator? Ah, I lost it. Oh, I came back with it. There we go. So I take the natural log. Are we able? We probably can't see that. Of 64. Close my parentheses. Divided by the natural log of 4. Close my parentheses. The answer is 3. So we solved it. First, we used the properties to contract it from 2 to be 1, and then we used what we know how to solve. We took the natural log of 64 and the natural log of 4, and the answer was 3. Hoorah! Let's do that again. Several times. Okay, what if we had something like this? Log base 5 of 1/5 plus log base 5 of 1/25. Okay, well, we know that that means multiply, it's plus, so that'll be log base 5 of 1/5 times 1/25. Remember how to multiply, top times top. Top times top would be 1. Bottom times bottom would be 125. Woohoo! Log base 5 of 125. Now don't lose this base, because that's what makes it possible for us to solve it. Because remember, to solve it, we're trying to find 5 to some power equals 1 over 125. And we don't know how to do that, so we have to take whatever's inside, natural log of that, divided by whatever the base is, and the base is 5, natural log of the base. Now, when I do that on my calculator, natural log of, remember, you can just divide 1 over 125, and then divided by natural log of 5. Kaboom! Negative 3. Negative 3 is our answer. And that's what we're shooting for. We want to make it so that we can solve any problem. Let's do a subtraction one. What do you say, huh? Log base 2 of 64 minus log base 2 of 4. Okay. Well, I know that that's log base 2 of 64 divided by 4. Right? Yeah. What's that? That would be log base 2. 64, that'd be 16. Now, we have to solve that, right? Because the last step is solve. So remember, 2 to some power is 16. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for the exponent, because when you solve a logarithm, you're looking for an exponent. So what the heck is that? Well, that would be natural log of 16 divided by the natural log of 2. Always close your parentheses so that you can solve out. And when I do that on my calculator, quattro is the answer. Ta-da! Look at us. We're making progress. One more, and then we're done. Let's do one with exponents. In fact, we'll do it two ways, just to show you. Log base 3 of 81 squared. Oh my goodness, 81 squared. So, I could do it this way. I could say, well, I know 2 comes down in front. So 2 times the log base 3 of 81. Now I have to solve that piece right there. Remember, I have to solve that piece right there, and then multiply by 2. Well, I know how to solve this piece. It's the natural log of 81 divided by the natural log of 3. Okay? Well, whatever that answer is, that's times 2, because that's what that says. Well, let's do it. Natural log of 81, on my calculator, natural log of 81 divided by natural log of 2. Hey, that's 4. So this is 2 times 4. That's the number, 8. So we're saying that we solved this problem by doing it that way. Now, there's another way you could do it, obviously. You could say, well, that's the same thing as log of, what is 81 to the second power? 81 squared. Ooh, my goodness. That's big. 6,561. 6,561? Yep. Well, I can solve that. I know the natural log of 6561 divided by the natural log of 3. Natural log 6561 divided by natural log of 3 is 8. Holy smokes. Hey, the answer is 8 no matter which way we do it. Look at that. We did it. Cut it right half in 2. We could do it with exponents, with a rule of exponents, or we can do it by working it out. Still get the answer. We solved it. And that's what today's homework is about. Alrighty, we're done.